Eaglevisioncam has found a home in South Africa. Now you can also get the products I have found to trust and use over the past few years. From the legendary scope cam setups, infinity scope mounts, high capacities magazines, and so much more. If you are from South Africa and looking to use the best, visit the agsastore.com, and for my international friends, affiliate links are available in every video description, so you can also get your hands on everything I use. In the previous episode, the day started very slow with a couple of shots here and there. In this episode, we get down to business and try to shoot as many birds as we can in very strong wind. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, so what we've done now is Fatty actually shot a couple off camera. He luckily got some recording there by him. We took those and we used them as decoys now. Spread them out here in this walkthrough here, and we're just going to sit still here now and try to see if we can get some here, because this wind is really bad, gusting very strongly, but it's an icy cold wind. So yeah, let's wait and see. Hopefully this will work for us.
Okay, I got another one at about 50. You can see the wind is quite hectic. Let's go for a follow-up shot. And it's done. Those decoys are working quite well. That's it. There they come. Oh, there's one on the wire. Oh, that's a nice shot. That was quite close, on about 35. They're about 35 yards. Okay, I've got one there on the wire on about 45. Oh, that's a nice shot. Just tipped over. This wind is very strong today. Look at this dust blowing right here. Makes it very difficult for me to shoot with this in-game minutes. I struggle a little bit more than Moni because he's shooting the slugs. Okay, I got one at 80 yards. There's it. One. Let's see, 50, 60, 70, 80. And the wind. I want to go for this one at 50. Got it. Oh, yes, one at close range, about 20 meters. Alright, there's a couple of doves there again at 67 yards. Let's see if but the wind is hectic. So let's see. don't know if I got it. Just nicked it maybe. Oh, they actually just come and fell here in front of me. Okay, so I got it. Nice one. Here's one quite close, on about 35. It's not an easy shot. Let's go for the head maybe. Oh, got it. Headshot. Yeah, that was a difficult shot because it was just behind that post there. So I had to go for the head. That's nice. Yeah, they keep coming now. Now the direction has shifted a bit to the other side. But yeah, I managed to get that one. Look at them coming. Oh no. That's better. Oh, mag's empty. No. I have to stop it now.
About 40 meters, it's not really far. Got another one. I actually moved in here next to Faddy. He quickly ran up to go fill up his gun. He's been destroying them. At the spot I sat, I just had no luck, so I had to move in here with him to at least get something. That one too. Oh, yes. couple. Now I'm enjoying it. In this wind, it's really I think the best to keep it at close range, because you're just going to get frustrated out at longer ranges. You're not going to enjoy yourself. I mean, this one flies in here, it's not even 10 meters away from me. So yeah, let's see. Nice.
I got mine.
I got mine as well. Double. A nice double. Are you going to take it or should I? There it flies off. 2, 3. Did I steal your kill? Oh, you got that one in the head, man. Sorry, did I steal your kill? Oh, you got that one in the head, man. Okay. Flipped it over. These slugs are just insane.
Yeah.
Well, that was a bad lucker for him. Let's see, those ones are at 80 meters. 80 meters should give me 3 mils, no, 2 mils of holdover on 80. Oh, I just missed it. One moment you dope for wind, the next moment there's nothing. So it's really difficult to judge the wind. Okay, so let's take a look at the destruction me and Fatty made here. Not sure how many there are at the moment. Okay guys and girls, we're going to call it a wrap for today. We got 83 sitting here and a couple up there when we shot there this morning. So all in all should be around 90 doves or 19 birds in total, with a couple of house sparrows, a starling here and there, and a couple of doves and pigeons. I don't know if we shot any pigeons today. I think mostly doves, but it was extremely cold. It's still cold and the wind is really bad. So we're actually filming this with a cell phone because of the camera's batteries that died. So all in all, it was a really successful day, tons of fun, and always a joy to come out here and shoot with a friend or so. So I just want to say thank you again, Paddy, for being with us again here today and inviting me to come and shoot with him. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also remember to hit that subscribe button down there and that bell notification so you can be notified of all the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.